Hello everyone, this is Akanksha from English Logger. Today we will do letter writing. Letter writing is an important part of our life. It is a part of communication. Nowadays we can send our letters not only by post but also through emails. So it is important to learn how to write to different people. So letters can be broadly divided into two parts, informal letter writing and formal letter writing. In this video, we are gonna cover formal letter writing and its format. So let's get started. Letters enable us to communicate thoughts, needs, feelings, and information to others when we cannot express them verbally or directly. Letters are one of the most important and popular means of communication. Most of the important official and commercial correspondence is still done through letters, and it is important part of our life, or it plays a very important role in our life. This is letter writing. Now we have two types of letter writing, formal and informal. When we are talking about formal letter writing, it is like letter to the principal, letter to the editor, and official letters. These three types of letters are covering informal letter writing. When we talk about informal letter writing, informal means when we are writing letter to our friends, to our relatives, to our parents, to our family, or any member of our family. So that is informal letter writing. And in formal letter writing there are certain rules. There is format to write formal letter writing, but when we are talking about informal letter writing, it is different from formal. So in the next we will do format of formal letter writing, and the next video will be on informal letter writing. So in this video we are just covering formal letter writing, so we'll start with that format of formal letter writing. Now we are doing format of formal letter writing. Very first thing what you need to write is your own address at the corner, left side of the corner, then date when you are writing letter, then name and address of the addressee. Here addressee means to whom you are writing letter, so that's the address of the addressee. Then subject. Subject is important, so your subject must not be lengthy. It should be short and gives the hint that your letter is about what. Then salutation. So here salutation, in the official letters we have ma'am or sir. Then body of the letter. So how you need to write body of the letter, this we will be doing in the next slide. Then subscription. So here it is, subscription is like in official letters, yours faithfully, yours sincerely, yours obediently, yours truly. So these are the subscriptions which we are writing at the end of the letter on the top of your name, and under it you need to write your name, so that is subscriptions. So these are the 7 headings which you need to learn when you are writing letter, so you are not gonna miss anything when you are writing letter. If you miss anything, so your marks will be deducted as per the marking scheme of your teacher. Now here is body of the letter. In body of the letter, especially body of the letter is the main part of the letter, and informal letter writing or informal letters require a formal and impersonal treatment. So you are not going to write any personal thing into it, because it is official letter or it is formal letter. There is no scope for unnecessary and superfluous descriptions in such letters. It means that non-essential things you will not write, or unnecessary details you will not give in such letters, because these are formal letters. So we need to be very restrict in writing such letters. We will not write these letters in flow, whatsoever we want to write, we can't do that. These all things we can do when we are writing informal letter, because we are writing to those to whom we know. So there's a difference between formal letter writing and informal letter writing. Here we'll start with sample of format of formal letter writing. The first thing which we have learned, that is sender's address. Maximum time you will get sender's address in the question paper, in the statement of your formal letter writing question. Then date, then receiver's address, then subject, then ma'am, sir, what you want to write as per the question of your letter writing, that is salutation, and then body of the letter, then closure, yours lovingly, name, that is salutation, or you can say that this is end of the letter, so we must say that it is subscription, yours lovingly, yours faithfully, or yours obediently, yours truly. So first is sender's address, then date, then receiver's address, then subject, then ma'am or sir, salutation, then body of the letter, and at the last subscription. For official letter, yours lovingly, yours faithfully, whatsoever you want to write, you can write. This is format of formal letter writing. Now this is the sample of letter to the principal. The principal XYZ school, now city name, then date, then ma'am, then subject, then this is content, that is body of the letter, then thanking you, yours obediently, under it your name. Again I'm repeating, this is the principal, and here one more thing, that letter to the principal, maximum, or there was no need to write your own address, because when you are writing letter to the principal, that is your school authority must be knowing your address, so we are not writing address in letter to the principal. So here is just like sender's name or address you need to write, then date, then ma'am, salutation, then subject, regarding changing of section. So my subject is short and telling us that okay, letter is about changing of section. Might be if I'm principal of the school, I just come to know through the subject, okay, the child must make a request to change his or her section. Then this is a body of the letter, then thanking you, yours obediently, and name, that is subscription. So this is how you need to write letter to the principal. Then next is, now we have letter to the editor. This is also part of formal letter writing. We'll start with sender's address, then date, then receiver's address, then subject, then salutation, sir or ma'am, then body of the letter. This body of the letter is not complete, this is incomplete. Your body of the letter must be as per the question, or in 2 or 3 paragraphs. Then you have yours faithfully, and then name, that is subscription, end of the letter. So this is it for today. I just hope that you people liked my video. If it is so, mention in the comment section that is below. Those who are new viewers, please subscribe my channel English Logger. You can share it, you can like, you can comment. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you and have a nice day.